Hello everyone, in this video I want to share with you on how to travel to the FIFA World Cup for free as a FIFA volunteer. I know that many people will love to attend FIFA World Cup physically instead of just watching from their television or from viewing centers across the nation. So attending the FIFA World Cup is a dream for millions of football lovers around the world. And the FIFA World Cup is taking place in 2026 in some parts of USA and Mexico and thereabout. Tickets, travel, and accommodation can be expensive, but there's little known way to experience the excitement up close without paying a dime. And that way you can do it is by becoming a FIFA World Cup volunteer. What is the FIFA World Cup volunteer program? FIFA recruits thousands of volunteers for every World Cup. These individuals play an important role in making the tournament run smoothly, from helping fans find their seats to supporting media operations, translation, transportation, and hospitality. Being a volunteer means you will be at the heart of the world's biggest football festival, working behind the scenes and sometimes rubbing shoulders with players, journalists, and football legends. What do FIFA volunteers get? Volunteers don't get a salary, but FIFA provides several benefits that cover almost all the costs of attending. Number one thing that a FIFA volunteer will get is free accommodation. Volunteers are housed in official facilities or hostels. Number two, you get free meals and refreshments. You receive food during your shifts. Number three, you get free uniforms and gear, branded kits and merchandise, often souvenirs you'll keep. Then you also get free local transport, buses, metro cards, or shuttle services to stadiums. Then you also get certificate and experience. An official FIFA certificate can boost your CV. That is also community service. Then you also get unforgettable access. Volunteers often get to watch matches live, especially during downtime. FIFA typically does not cover your international flights to the host country. However, many volunteers find sponsorships or scholarships through NGOs, universities, or local sports organizations to fund their tickets. Who can apply as a FIFA volunteer? You must be at least 18 years old by the tournament date. You must speak basic English. Other languages like French, Spanish, or Arabic are an advantage. You must have a passion for football teamwork and cultural exchange. You must not have previous volunteering experience is not required, but if you have previous volunteering experience, maybe in your nation, helping to do some things around your church, your mosque, or any other place in your department, in your school, or any place in your community, that can help. How then do you apply as a FIFA volunteer? You need to visit the FIFA volunteer platform at https://volunteer.fifa.com. Then you create a profile, fill in your skills, languages, and availability. Then the next thing is to submit application. Then choose the tournament, e.g. FIFA World Cup, that you want to attend. Now there are different FIFA World Cup, but the one we're really talking about is this main soccer World Cup coming up in 2026. Then interview and assessment will take place online or in person. Interviews to assess motivation and communication. They can just make a selection and communicate with you. Then the next thing is selection and training. If selected, you receive online training before traveling. Here are some tips that can help you to get selected. You need to apply early because slots fill up quickly. Then highlight your teamwork, hospitality, and communication skills when the opportunity comes. Then show passion for football and international events. Mention if you've done volunteering before, e.g. in your church, school, NGOs, sports events, your mosque, or other places. Beyond FIFA, other free travel volunteer opportunities are as follows. If you are not selected for the FIFA World Cup, don't worry. Other global events also accept international volunteers with similar perks. Number one is Olympic Games Volunteer Program. Number two is UEFA European Championship volunteers. Number 3 is Commonwealth Games volunteers. Number 4 is World Expo volunteers, and many others are online that are available. Just check online for volunteer programs that provide free travel and accommodation, and you'll see them. Becoming a FIFA World Cup volunteer is one of the most affordable ways to travel to the World Cup and experience it like an insider. While you need to cover your flight ticket, nearly everything else is free. Accommodation, meals, local transport, and priceless access to the world's biggest sporting event. If you are passionate about football, soccer, cultural exchange, and adventure, this is your golden ticket to the World Cup. Visit FIFA volunteer platform and start your journey today. This is Dr. Lungadet's YouTube channel. I believe you have gained value from this video, and if that is the case, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video with family and friends, and keep coming back for more. I want to receive your comment and question in the comment section. On this YouTube channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline, and I bring opportunities to you. And I also teach you how you can you make money. Then also, not just to make money, I help teach you how to save money, because by the time you save money, what you're supposed to spend, you save the money. You are able to save. Instead of spending 1 million or 100,000, you are spending 10,000 or 100,000. That is going to save you money. That means you've actually made money in the process. So these are some of the things I teach on this channel. Why do I teach it? Because money is very, very important, except you are just kidding, except you are joking. But if you are serious, we agree with me that money is vital and important to life. This is why I teach you how to make money on this channel, and I've done series of videos on this channel teaching you how to make money and how to get going about your life. I teach you how to make money online and offline. In fact, currently I'm delving into crypto world, teaching you how to make money for free with crypto, and even with some money that you can give to make extra money on by the side. So I want to keep coming back to this channel because I made a vow that if you keep coming to this channel for 6 months, your life is going to change for good. And if your life does not change after watching one video on my channel daily for 6 months and you are taking action and your life does not change, then that means I'm not sent to you. Maybe you should stop watching this channel. But I'm sure I'm sent to you. And once you take action on what I teach on this channel, your life is going to be transformed, because action takers are favored by the goddess of good luck. So keep coming back to this channel, and please subscribe, like, share, comment, and you'll be glad you did. Until I come your way with the next one, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one I want you to go ahead and watch now. Bye for now.